fundamentally, it's a business decision at the end of the day.
This puts money back on the bottom line. I know in your operation here, we were looking at over $2,000 a month in your monthly savings.
I'm happy to put it back in my pocket.
I grew chickens for 20 years. I know what you're facing on a daily basis. Your payback time out here is going to be just over 2 years, well less than 3 years to have this project fully paid back. One of the things that we at SEAL try to really focus on is making sure that we provide a client with the information that they need to make an informed decision about what's truly good for them.
If you're hesitating and have any questions related to how do I go solar, who do I talk to, I think it's really not very hard at all. Make a couple of phone calls. One, make one to me. And the second one is talk to my friend Nate Bell. He's raised chickens. We're friends. We know one another. And we'll sit down together if need be, and we'll talk it through. Because it's a business decision and it's numbers based, it's easy to be very transparent with this process. And the conversations are short and simple. I don't know if I've been through very many projects of this magnitude with this much simplicity. Now that speaks to me volumes. You'll get information and then make a good decision from there.